2020 has not panned out the way we'd all imagined. With the pandemic having affected so many countries across the globe, it's a little frustrating to be at home right now. But BTS is making sure that they give us enough and more company, even if it's digitally. This past 6 months, they've given us so many memorable moments, but today we're looking at the seven best of them. BTS made the headlines this year for Map of the Soul 7. Not only did they release a lot of good new songs, but they also used the whole platform to start the initiative of Connect BTS. They introduced the ARMY to 22 brilliant artists from across the world. If that wasn't enough, they went on 2 late-night shows in the US where they performed on and Black Swan and gave us so many GIF-worthy moments that covered Twitter throughout the 6 months.
2020 is an extremely special year for BTS and ARMY because the septet completes 7 years since its debut on June 13th. As a celebration of sorts, we had Festa 2020, where we had 13 days of amazing content to obsess over. Whether it be the emotionally stirring We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal music video, or even Jungkook's dedication to ARMY with Still With You, there were so many moments, that is going to be memorable for years to come. It all ended with a birthday party, which was reminiscent of their first birthday party all those years ago. And we got to take a trip down memory lane on the past, present, and the future. So it was definitely a celebration worth remembering.
The ARMY was looking forward to Map of the Soul tour this year. However, clearly God had other plans. But that did not stop BTS and Big Hit from coming up with something so unique. Together, they hosted 2 Bang Bang Cons this year. The first one took place in April, where the members joined the ARMY and revisited few of their brilliant concerts. The second one took place in June, right after their Festa celebrations, where the ARMY watched the boys put together some entertaining performances. This gave us a glimpse of what Map of the Soul tour was supposed to look like, and we clearly are hoping that the boys get back on stage and give us a full blown view of it.
So ARMY is still extremely disappointed with the fact that BTS didn't get a single Grammy nomination. But at the same time, we also got a small glimpse of what it would be like if BTS was on the Grammy stage. This was done through RM's collaboration with Lil Nas. Yes, we got only 30 to 40 seconds of BTS at the Grammys, but still, it gave us, again, I'm going to say glimpse, because can you imagine what it would be like if BTS actually took over the Grammys and got a nomination and won? Let's see, hopefully next year.
It was an emotional summer for the ARMY, courtesy the Break the Silence. The docuseries not only saw the boys address the R word, retirement, but they also saw the members talk about everything that is going on in their heads. They also spoke about their relationships with each other and the friends outside the band. Damn, it was very, very heartwarming to see these guys, present their raw selves to us.
2020 for BTS has been all about breaking records. Let's take Map of the Soul 7 for example. Not only did that album reach #1 on Billboard 200, it also gave BTS its first top 5 hit on the Billboard Hot 100 charts with the song On. There are so many records that has been broken by BTS over the past few months, solo records and group records, and it's just been such a crazy time for ARMY, because finally BTS is getting the due that they deserve after 7 years.
BTS has not only made the headlines for their album and the records that they've broken, they also got everybody's attention with the Black Lives Matter movement. The band showed where they stand with regard to the movement by donating whopping $1 million towards foundations supporting it. The ARMY decided to match it up by donating another $1 million, and it did not take them more than 24 hours to do it.
So that was what two baby ARMYs thought were, the 7 best moments of BTS in the first half of 2020. If you think that we missed out on any other particular moment that you found more memorable, do let us know in the comment section. And until then, Sarange!
감사합니다.